Everybody's dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright.
Hey guys, I hope you're well. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I did like a pinky nudie makeup look I absolutely love. I know I say this about every makeup look that I do, but I just like them. And it is like a really soft makeup look, which is obviously what I usually go for. That's what I love wearing. I hate too super dramatic makeup look. I just don't like that look on me. So yeah, I used the new nude palette by HudaBeauty. I am absolutely in love with it. You guys know that the other original remastered rose gold palette is like my top favorite. So this one is definitely like, I don't know, like my second favorite. I don't know, maybe it's come on top of that because these are the colors I usually go for. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and I did a tutorial using this palette on my eyes. And yeah, if you guys would like to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already moisturized my face and I'm gonna go straight on to the eyes. And as usual, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And then set it in place with the MERCIER translucent powder. And this is the palette I'm using today, and as you can see, I wore an outfit to go with this palette to kind of go with the pinky nudie theme. So I heard really good reviews about it, and I own one of her palettes, the remastered rose gold one, which I love. Is my holy grail palette. So I'm excited to try this one. This one is obviously completely different. It's more kind of toned down pinky nudie colors, no bright ones, so it's definitely my kind of palette. With all our palettes I love. So hopefully the pigmentation is good, because these are quite light shades and I'm not really I have medium brown skin tone, so we'll see how it shows up on my skin. So I'm gonna go for like a soft pinky nudie look, like a soft glam. Obviously nothing too crazy, because you guys know I love kind of nothing too crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna take the shade Tickle and apply that in my eyelids and my eyelids, eye crease. Yeah. This is definitely good pigmentation, and the colour definitely pops on my skin tone. On the camera it's not too obvious, but in person you can definitely see the pinky mark. And then I'm going to take the shade Raw and apply that in my crease, like a blending shade. And take a plain fluffy brush just to blend it all in. And then on the outer corner I'm going to take Love Bite. Oh, actually I'm going to take Spanked. More of a pinky tone. So using a wet brush, I'm going to take Fantasy and apply that on my inner half of my eyelids. Yeah, I applied Fantasy all over my eyelids. And then for the inner half of the eyelids, I'm going to take Crave, which is a nice gold shimmer shade. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then come back to the eyes. So far, I think her palettes are super pigmented, and again, I think if you've purchased her other eyeshadows before with these shimmer ones, you do need to work a bit more with them, but the colour payoff and everything is really good. Yeah, so you do need to work a bit more with the shimmer shades. Matte shades are really pigmented, and yeah, definitely apply these shimmer ones with a wet brush. Yeah, or you could apply them with your fingers. Overall, it's a good palette, and if you guys like nude shades and really light soft shades, and this palette is definitely for you. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of my eyes. winged eyeliner. I'm going to draw my usual winged eyeliner with my BOURJOUS liquid liner. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Pink River lashes in the type Crystal. And I'm just going to cut my lashes whilst I wait for the lash glue to get tacky. I don't know, for me I need to wait at least like 4 or 5 minutes for it to get tacky. I don't know if this is the same for you guys. And for foundation, I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Honey. I mentioned this previously, I feel like this shade is slightly too light for me, but I like the undertone. I like that it's a cool tone or neutral undertone. But once I blend in the concealer and contour, it kind of goes with my skin tone. And for concealer, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark Warm. And then set it all in place with the MERCIER translucent powder. And for contour, I'm using Fenty Beauty's contour stick in the shade Truffle. And then I'm just going to go over that with this sleek contour and blush palette in the shade Dark. It's called. Take this one. And then for blush, I'm using MILANI's blush in the shade Tea Rose. And for highlight, I'm using HudaBeauty's 3D highlighter in the shade Bronze Sand. That's what. Taking the shade Maldives. For lips, as usual, I'm going to line them with NYX's lip liner in the shade Urban Cafe, and then go over that with Huda Beauty's liquid lipstick in the shade Bombshell. And then I'm going to set it all in place with the SKINDINAVIA Oil Control Finishing Spray. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my future videos. And sorry, this hair is just... And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.